Okay, let's talk about Theodolite. So first off is you're going to want to set the preferences correctly. So top left-hand corner, hit preferences. You can see the compass set to true, angles, degrees, angle mode, level, units, meters. And then next up, you're going to want to head to the position format. You're going to want to select this one here. It's the one that we standardize and use. You have to slide down to find it, but it's pretty close to the top. Select, and then done. The datum, we're going to leave at the WGS 1984. Camera options. Now, here's where it comes in handy to take a look at this. We've got it set to photo. The camera torch / flash is off. And you can also have this save as a regular image. So you can have it saved as a regular image. That's a new option. And what that'll do is you'll have one image with the Theodolite overlay that you'll be able to use for investigation photos, firefile photos, and then you'll have another image that you'll be able to use if, for instance, info wanted to use it, things like that. Presentations later on. So you can save both, and then you'll be able to use one or the other for what the appropriate things is. Turn the crosshairs off, turn the date and time on, turn the data on, turn the note off, and you can have the color in white. And so I'll leave that up here for a second, and this is the plan to have it like this. And what we're going to do is I'll have just this settings in the iPhone user guide. I'm going to take away some of the other how to use it, but this is going to be still in there, the settings. And basically that's about it. And then from here, all you have to do is make sure that you got the green dots when you take the photo. You hit the P in the bottom right hand corner, and that'll take the photo. See it processing, and then you can take another one. And you'll see both in your photo library. So once you're in your photo library, you need to choose the photo that you want. So we're going to use this one here. You see it's got all the data in the top left corner. It's got a great picture of my chair. It's exactly what I needed to send. Bottom left hand corner where you can use share. And you can use mail to email it. And then send it into the correct email. And it is my high-level wildfire 008. And then it is Ben Jameson, photographer. And you can have a description in here. Pat is in a meeting. So that's the description of the photo, who took it, the fire number, and all the other data on it. So that's got everything you need. Hit send, which I'm not going to do, and off you go.